Traders. For today's session, I decided to cover gold market, and I will speak about the USD versus Canadian dollar because I think that we'll have a good opportunities on the gold and on the USD versus Canadian dollar. To start with the update on the gold, so I want to start with this with analysis we did days ago, and that where we said that, and I alerted you that there is a 3-month cycle. So I'll again repeat that there is a 3-month cycle for the tops. Since the March last year, every 3 months we made a major tops exactly 3 months apart. So from this top to this top, we got a 3 months period. From this top to this top, we got a 3 months, and guess what? The area that I marked days ago, I alerted you that price is basically trading in the drifting phase, and after the good rally up, we got a drifting phase, and the 3 month cycle was about to happen there. Since then, you see what is happening, and this scenario that we basically we planned pretty good is developing on our side, in our favor. Well, just right here, this is basically 3-month cycle for tops. What I see here, also combining with the market profile analysis, which I will show you right there. This is the NT4 platform. I'm using the InstaForex platform, and I opened my market profile chart, and I found basically that there is a breakdown of this lower ledge from 2 weeks ago, and that we probably in the gold have good high odds to revisit this ledge from the weeks ago, which is set around 1835, 1837. Very good potential level to maybe exit some of your positions or scale hold, or even think about exiting that one if you're trading on a very short term. If you plan and if you invested on the downside based on this cycle and the drifting phase, you can there's still plenty of potential. 1810 can be in the play, and actually the all the way down, the low from April this year can also be in the play in the next period. I also did the average move on this 3-month cycle is about 13 to 14% drop on the gold. If this is indeed that, so we can really expect another 14 to 15% drop from this move, which can lead us actually to the low at 1675. So plenty of potential for gold. Advice here in strategy will be, if you already have position and you want a short-term target, that will be around 1837, 1835. If you plan and if you want to extend for the bigger potential move and you plan more to hold for a mid-term trade, then you can watch for a target around 1675. Intraday speaking, if you plan for new opportunities, advice will be basically to watch the lower frames, like a 30-minute or so, and watch any decent rally. When I say decent, so back into the maybe 20 moving average or so, and try to play around that, because selling at this stage will be not that good advice and not good trade location to sell into the low. So if you plan to trade intraday gold, wait for the rally, wait for some decent rally intraday, and then try to work on the sell side. Speaking of the USD versus Canadian dollar, I think there is a great potential on this one. The reason why I think that is I will show you on this profile chart. So technically, we broke the massive ledge, the bottom ledge, as you see here on the profile. We broke that on Friday. And then today is expected more to be the sideways day, but I can see this easily to go further upside and go towards the minus development around 1.2220, and even try to test 1.2270 level. So plenty of the potential for the rally on the USD versus Canadian dollar. What I will watch here is I will watch for a eventual pullback. So we already see that there is a pullback on hourly and so, but today is more expected to be like a sideways regime. You can, if you want aggressively to do any entry today, you can eventually do, but I am not a big fan of doing this kind of entry today. Maybe tomorrow, but today I will watch more closely this and then eventually establish position tomorrow if we see the good upside run, and then on the pullback to play for the rally. So that will be all for today, and see you all tomorrow.